In this video, we'll look at how to use the Bookmark Text Patterns operation to automatically create multi-level bookmarks based on text search using the AutoBookmark plugin for Adobe Acrobat. A text pattern is a sequence of characters that conform to a certain set of rules that makes it different from other text in the document. The following video tutorial shows how to take a PDF document with multiple invoices and create hierarchically structured multi-level bookmarks. To do this method, navigate to the menu button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Click on the Plugins menu, select the Bookmarks option, and click on the Bookmark Text Patterns button. Press the Add Level button to create the description of the first bookmark level. The bookmark level settings dialog is going to appear on the screen. Specify the text pattern by entering Invoice Number /D+ into the Find Text Pattern box as a regular expression for this bookmark level. Now we will add another bookmark level for the date. To add a second bookmark level, press the Add Level button. The bookmark level will be automatically set to the level 2. Now specify the text pattern in the Find Text Pattern box by entering the date D+ 3 times, because there is 3 separate digits in the date. Then press the OK button. We will now add another bookmark for the total, but it will also be on the second level. For this, click on the Add Level button and specify the text pattern by entering total with the same expression as entered in the video. Once entered, click on the OK button. Click on the OK button again to begin processing. The bookmark panel will automatically open and you can now inspect the results. Visit evermap.com to learn more about Evermap's PDF tools for Adobe Acrobat. Please subscribe to our channel and check out our other videos for more PDF automation tutorials. Thanks for watching.